soar. Feel the breeze forevermore. Steps of purpose as we chase horizons endless in our gaze. Mountains greet the morning light, painting dreams in colors bright, while flowers whisper ancient tales, following the winding trails. With every step we're flying free. Exploring worlds for all to see. Rivers twist through emerald greens, mysteries in every scene. Echoes of the earth we find, leaving all our cares behind. Through the valleys we will roam, nature's call our only home. Stars will guide